Here at Joseph Motors, add another vehicle to the YouTube page. This is a 2015 Ford F-350 stake body rack bed that we've got. It's got a power liftgate on the back, wood floor, 12-foot body, 13,000 miles on this beauty. Johnny and I are going to go over this, sitting on really nice new, like new tires on the front. They're all 10 ply. Again, only 13,000 miles on this little cream puff. Plain Jane. No power windows, no power locks, CD, AM/FM stereo, cruise control, airbags up on the ceiling and in the seats for side impact airbags. Knapheide body here that we repainted, put a brand new wood floor in it. Really nice. This is a Tommy gate we've got here. That one's undone. Needs some weight on it really to get it down. If you haven't ever had one of these, this is probably one of the best little gadgets they ever made. Loading all kinds of different equipment, unloading equipment and stuff. Really, really nice. Again, they repainted the chassis down on the bottom. Things in really great shape. No rips or tears in the seats or anything. Headliner's in great shape. It's a really nice unit. .62 gas power plant underneath here. I think it's like a brand new truck. Half of what a new one is, without a doubt. Well, if you'd like any more information on this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886 or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Love to hear from you. Have a great day.